Hey guys, welcome back. Today I made an admin game actually. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So here's my stop it valves. Okay, so we might do this a little bit. So I'm sorry about the place. Where's places? I can't find places. Oh man. So I made this new game. It's called Play This Jacob game. Not that one, but this one. This one's better. I got 2 likes on it actually. That's pretty cool. So starting with blocks. It's an admin game, guys. Okay. Oh, the server's full. It will stop full. See. So would you join the game? What a boring game. But look behind you. What the heck is that? And I'm going to show you how to get gears. I was just up as a hacker. Like Project Zorgo. So if I look like this. But I'm not actually hacking. It's just pretend. Trying to get my thumb hurts. Or my pinky hurts. So guys, that's a guy says hi. I'm going to show you. You can get admin in this game. Yeah, you already have admin, but you can do this. Go here, go here, and then do shift here, me, and then once you go here, me, and when you go to the catalog, you can get whatever. I can do like guns. Watch this. I'll do a gun. Guns. You go here, you press it. Go Roblox. Then go to the chat. Then you type in the number, so it's 168. So you go 168 143 and then when you press that, watch. Buddy looks like a defense. Oh no, follow me. Don't follow me. I'm gonna take your attack. Watch it, ready? Yeah, so guys, it'll hurt somebody in it. So let's do something else. And we could do wait, shift J. Press the J. Oh, that. Don't. No. Shift. No. Morph Project Zorgo. Shift. Morph Project. What the heck? Oh, yeah! And you could build F3X. Let's see. Oh, I didn't press it. Haha. So, what you do is, I got it. So, what you do is when you get this, you run over here, and then what you gotta do is press that button, then you go like this. Then, once you want to move the house, go like that, and you move it like this. So you can make it bigger like this. You just go up. I'll make it a house. Guys can help make a house. Yeah, see, that's how you build, guys. On the wonder. And you can make it like super big. I'm gonna make it super big. So if you want to make it super big, just go fly me. FLY. Boy, you fly yourself. So you tap on it, then you make it go up. Then you go up. Then you can literally just like do the block. Go up. Go up. Go up. Well, see about. Okay, so when you do that, you can make like a little platform up here. What I was doing with my friend, I actually went to here, I put an orange block down. So what I did is what I did is what I did. I put orange block down here. Then I moved it over here. Then I put, wait, no, I don't want Minecraft. No. What I did is I did this, went over to the side. You guys can try this if you have an admin game, if you know how to make one. Oh, you can only do this if you have a computer. Oh, like if your friends had an admin game, you can only make games if you're on a computer. So guys, or you could join your friends admin game, and it'll probably admin you, or you already ordered you or something. So I think if you get owner, I think you can, like when you join, or you always have the admin. So this is my new admin game. So what you do is when you're finished running like that, then you'd be like, yo, I'm done. So then you grab your gun, and then you'd be like, yeah, what the flip? So I'm gonna do shift and fly, and then when somebody joins me, I'm gonna kill them. Then we're surviving. I'm gonna make a fat head. Should I make a fat head, guys? I don't know how to make a fat head. I'm gonna figure out how to make a fat head, because I don't know how to do that yet. I'm new to people's. GTA 5. GD. Then you go like this, you place it down right there. Place a block. Oh my god. What did it die? Look at sea at night. Did it? Oh, here. Or we can just survive. Oh, see, you make it worse. Oh, be. Okay, guys, we're gonna go back up. Actually, we're gonna survive. Fly. So we're gonna actually survive a little tiny piece of block because I don't know what just happened again. My beetles and won't go away. Wait, what? No clue. That's kind of no clue. Step on it. Oh. FLY. Oh, what? No. Here's I'm gonna shoot another game. I can't leave the game. I don't have to do that. I don't want to do that. Okay, I'll back off. Back off. I'm gonna show you. I don't want to do this. Too scary. So guys, like this video, and bye.